students, in this video we are going to understand application of trigonometry to solve one complex problem. Let us see the question first. The figure below shows a hinged structure made up of 12 sticks. The structure can be elongated and compressed by changing the angle ABR. We have angle ABR as 90 here. Now by changing this angle, this can be either elongated or compressed. As shown in the figure, the distance between B and Q, this total length is 150 root 6 when the angle ABR is 90 degrees. What will this distance be when the angle ABR change to 60 degrees? So when this angle becomes 60, you are compressing actually. When you compress it, the length of the string will increase. But one observation is, the stick's length will not change. Only this length will change when you compress it. When you compress it, this length is going to be same, but the middle, let us say this is diagonal, right? This is going to compress, the length is going to elongate. That length we have to find out. What is the process, dear students? By just applying the concepts of sin theta, I am going to solve this. Let us see how. First, let us try to understand this diagram. How many such processes are there? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 such structures. Let us take each of them is a single structure, right? There are 5 such structures are there with a total length of 150 root 6. When you divide by 5, you can get length of each as 30 root 6. So we can understand this length as 30 times root 6, right? Now let us draw this small structure here. I am going to draw this BDE. BDE I am going to draw for better understanding. This is B, and this is E. Right? We got this length as 30 root 6 now. We got this length as 30 root 6. If you draw the perpendicular to the base, this is making 90 degrees, which is dividing the base into 2 equal parts. This is 15 root 6. Dear students, this angle is 90 degrees. Vertically opposite angles are equal, right? If this is 90, this angle also 90, and the diagonal makes into 2 parts. So this is 45, this is 45. This angle DBE is 45 degrees. If this is 45, this also will be 45. This forms a right angled isosceles triangle. Let us name this vertex as some x. Now, in the triangle, in the right angle triangle BDX, let us try to find out this length BD. So, hypotenuse square BD square is equal to BX square plus DX square. BD square is equal to 15 root 6 whole square plus 15 root 6 whole square. There are 2 terms are there. So BD square is equal to 2 into 15 root 6 whole square. BD square is equal to 2 into 15 square is 225. Root 6 square is 6. 6 into 2 is 12. BD square is equal to 225 into 12. If we send square to that side, this BD is equal to 15 into root 225 is 15, root 12 is 2 root 3. So further, the length of BD is 30 times root 3. We got this length BD as 30 root 3. But what I am going to do with this? Now we are going to change this angle 90 to 60 degrees, right? Let's going forward. We got this length BD as 30 root 3 in the previous slide. As we change this angle from 90 degrees to 60 degrees, if this is 60, the vertically opposite angle, this also would be 60. Now let me draw this, guys. So here, again I am drawing BDE. Again I am drawing BDE. So if this is 60, the vertically opposite angle is also 60. Diagonal will make into 2 30s, 30 and 30. So DBE angle, this angle would be 30 degrees. Draw the perpendicular here. and we got this BD length as 30 root 3. If I can find out, let us take this vertex as x. If I can find out bx, you can take 2 times to length be, but 5 such structures are there, then we can go for easy calculations, right? Let's do the process now. We understand the process, right? Do the calculations now. So as this is a triangle BDX, if this is 90, this is 30, by default this would be 60. I am applying sin 60 now. Sin theta is opposite side by hypotenuse. Opposite side is BX, hypotenuse is BD. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. This is equal to BX by, what is the length of BD? 30 times root 3. So 2 goes 15 times in this. What is Bx then? 15 root 3 into root 3. 15 root 3 into root 3. So that is 15 into 3. That is 45. Now see the understanding. The understanding here is, we got this as 45. As it is a perpendicular midpoint to the base, this is also 45. We got the total length BE as total 45 plus 45, 90. So we took one such structure to get the length as BE. So this is one structure of length how much? 90. But how many such things are there in total? The length of BQ 5 times, right? So 90 times 5, our answer is 450. So this question was asked in one of the IIT. The exam is UC. The exam is UC. You can see the beauty of solving just by knowing the basics of trigonometry and small, making into small units. So this way we can work out the question. Thank you so much.